Okay, what we're going to do in this video, we're going to start creating our pages, because we don't obviously want it to be looking quite like this. So we've done all the settings, so let's we can do it a couple of ways. So we can go up to new and create page, or we can go into the dashboard like so. Pages, add new. I like to click pages because I like to see what I got. As you can see, there's nothing here because we're on a blank canvas, just like you would get on a Wizzy site. So let's add a new page. Voila, and we're going to call this one home. And I'm going to say, first of all, I'm going to publish it. That's this habit really. Just going to publish that. There we go. Now I'm going to say use the Divi builder. Do. And because it's a new page, we're going to get this. And because we haven't used the Divi builder yet, you're going to get this welcome. Now you can take a tour and it'll sort of show you around Divi. But we're just going to start building. There we go. And I'm going to use a page layout. Now think of these as starting points. Building blocks, if you like. Don't think about the genres like it's this agency there, because we can change everything within the layout. So find one that you quite like the look of, and there is a lot of them. I'm talking to them. You're up there. Find one that sort of appeals to you. Now my main site at the moment is using this theme, but as you can see, it looks nothing like that because I've edited it. But I quite like the layout of that one, and this one's quite good if you're doing an artsy one or a school. And there are some new ones in here. They add these every month, so I'm just sort of trying to find. This is the latest. This calligraphy. I can't even say it. Calligraphy one is really good, and I've used that on my other site. A mindful line site. I quite like that. There's an actor CV. Oh, that's quite new as well. This is a good theme. It's a charity theme. It's got lots of cool stuff there, like all these separators and stuff. Lots of graphics. That's quite a good one as well. The food bank. But remember, we can change the whole sort of all the images, and it won't look anything like that. You can make it look like whatever you want. Farmer. Okay, I'm sure a farmer would need a website. I haven't seen that one before. Anyway, I'm just going to pick. There's so many to choose from. I'm just going to pick my favourite one. No, profession. There's a lot of new themes in it, that's why it's catching me, because some of these I haven't even seen. Yeah, but I'm just going to come up here and click this one. Now as you can see, once you've picked the style that you're going for, you get all the different page layouts that you can go from, like the home page, which is the one we're going to pick. Normally quite short. Excuse the noise in the background, someone's doing some work. You've got landing pages, service pages, contact us, blog, and it goes on and on and on. So let's pick the home page because that's the one we're working on. I'm just going to click use this layout. Coffee time, I think. That's really noisy. Now this is normally quicker than this, but I think it's my internet connection is a bit slow. And there we go. Now we're on the back end, so this doesn't look much to you at the moment. So let's take it onto the front end by clicking that there, because you're probably going to want to do this more on the front end because it's more visual. There we go. So as you can see, everything's editable. And we've got a really nice looking page. Fantastic. Now I know we've still got the default logo up here and all that, but that's stuff we're going to come to. I just want us to get the pages ready. so we can get the menu set up. So let's say we're happy with this as our front page, and we're going to simply click save. There we go. And now I'm going to exit the visual builder. Fantastic. And there you go, all the animations are kicking in. Brilliant. So we've now created our home page, but if we go to the front of the site, as you can see, it's still looking like that. But don't panic. All you need to do is go into your settings, go into the dashboard there, come down to settings, and then go to reading. And see here, this is what we mentioned in the settings. I was going to come back to. Click static page, and then simply select the page you've just created called home, and save. And it should, there you go. Now if we go to the front of the site, as you can see, we now have this as our home page, and it really is as simple as that. Now look how great that looks. And remember, we can just edit this page live, change all the text. We can even change the background images, these blurbs we can change, even get rid of them. Images like this we can swap out. Maybe I'll show you how to do all this stuff later on, don't worry about it. And you know, success stories, everything's changeable. All I wanted was the starting ground. Now that's how we make a home page. In the next video we're going to make an about us page and stuff like that, and then we're going to make the menu, and you've got a really cool looking website that just needs tweaking. So talk in a minute. Take care.